Want to grab attention online in a flash? Today, we're diving into the world of microanimations using Adobe Animate to create captivating loops that leave lasting impressions. First, launch Adobe Animate and start a new document. Choose a good size for your target platform, like the square format suitable for social media. Let's create something simple, like a bouncing ball. On frame 1, use the shape tools to draw a circle representing your ball on the stage. After the ball is created, right-click on the object and select the option Convert to Symbol. Then, name your symbol ball. This will let you easily animate it later. Create a few frames by right-clicking on the timeline and selecting the Insert Frame option. To set your loop's duration, let's say 10-15 frames for this example. Then, right after the ball object, create an empty frame. Go ahead and place the first keyframe down. Within that keyframe is where your ball should begin. Then move the ball slightly downwards and create an additional keyframe. Animate does well with smooth motion when there are keyframes. Keyframes allow you to adjust the position and appearance of the ball over time. This is how you begin to create the illusion of movement. Add more keyframes, each time moving the ball up and down. Remember, when the ball is high, it will be in the air. When the ball gets close to the floor, it will flatten a little. Adjust the spacing between the keyframes to control the speed of the animation. Watch your animation by using the play loop feature within your preview window. Fine-tune the timing and the shape changes until you achieve a smooth, satisfying bounce. You can then export your completed animation as a GIF, MP4, or other formats to perfectly meet your needs on social media and website applications. With these simple steps, you're ready to craft a library of eye-catching microanimations.